I knew before I even started this hike, no one else was coming up Mount Harvard today. The sky looked heavy, the trailhead was empty, and I wanted it that way. Some days you just want to be completely alone in the mountains, even if that means walking straight into a snowstorm. Mount Harvard isn't a casual day, especially in fall. Long approach, unpredictable weather, and the kind of silence you only get miles from anyone. The early miles were calm, quiet enough to hear every step. Once I hit tree line, everything changed.
So visibility's looking still kind of decent, but snow is picking up. We'll see how it goes the further I get up there, but it is starting to snow pretty good.
There's a different kind of pressure when you're alone out here. No one to confirm your navigation, no one to talk you through your choices, just you and the storm. But I had planned for this, layers dialed in, navigation ready, established my levels of risk before I even left the truck. So I kept moving, slow, steady, and deliberate. Every few minutes, the wind felt like it was trying to knock me off the ridge. Every few minutes, I'd reassess. The summit of Mount Harvard finally appeared out of the white almost suddenly. No views, no sunrise, just the storm and the sound of the wind hitting the rocks. And the reminder that mountains don't owe you anything. And that's why I came out here, not for the views, not for the perfect summit moment, but to feel the mountains in their raw state, to be alone in a place that forces you to slow down, stay sharp, and stay humble.
So up there's the summit. Conditions are absolutely horrible. And just trying to get some food before I head down. But they've definitely deteriorated since I've come up. But do not try this if you're a beginner. This is not beginner stuff.